There's a sign out there that has recently been on a steady rise, which makes it the perfect time to jump in and take advantage of the said platform that will pay you in PayPal money for simply using Google. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, selling any products, or promoting anything. This doesn't involve YouTube, Facebook, or any other similar platforms for that matter. And lastly, this will most likely work in your country. So stay tuned to find out what side I'm talking about. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so as I said in that intro guys, you will get paid in PayPal money from that platform I will show you soon enough. And as such, your first step is to come over to paypal.com where you will want to create your PayPal account. And by the way, it works in many different countries around the world, which is the exact reason I said this will most likely work in your country. Anyhow, to create your PayPal account, you want to come back up a bit and you will see the sign up button in the upper right corner. You want to click on that, and then on the very next page, you just select personal account and then click on continue, and from there, you'll just enter in stuff like your first and last names, email address, phone number, address, and so on. And when you create your PayPal account, you will now be able to get paid. And it's now time to go to the second platform. The platform in question is of course Google. As I said, we will be using a simple Google trick to get paid today. And so you now want to come over to Google and you will want to search for stuff along the lines of cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscapes, and nature, and so on. So you simply want to find great looking images. And here's the thing. You want them in all different niches. So you want photos that are all unrelated to one another. And I will show you why that is when we go over to the third platform. Do you like photography? If yes, was there a time you earned something from the photos you've taken? Share to us your experience in the comment section down below. In any case, I searched for a cute cat here as an example. And now what you want to do before you download a photo is click on tools right here, and then you'll be able to see usage right over here, on which you want to click and finally select Creative Commons license. Now, as some of you may guess, this is the Google trick I was talking about. Now, many people know about that. And what this does is it gives you the license to freely use any one of these photos. If you download the photos from before and use them, you would get them down for copyright. But now you can use any of these freely however you want to. From there, what you simply want to do is find a nice looking photo, try to find the best one of them all, and you want to click on it, and then right click and select Save Image As to download it to your PC. From there, you want to search for something different, as I said. For example, nature. And by the way, just check out how beautiful these photos are. Once again, find one you like, right click on it, and click on Save Image As, and you will repeat this process for all of the images in whichever niche you pick until you have around 10 or so images in all different niches. Finally, from there, you will want to come over to the platform I mentioned time and time again. And that platform will actually pay us. It is called clickasnap.com. And immediately, when you come on here, you'll see this. It pays to share. Sign up and get paid for your content. And your content will indeed be those very images you found over on Google for absolutely free without even having to take them yourselves. Now, the way this works is as follows. You upload an image on the website. Whenever someone views it, they will see a bunch of ads on the sides of the image. And the website shares the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case will be you. And just a side note here, I'm assuming most of you watching this don't have a camera, but if you happen to even be a halfway decent photographer and you have a nice, good camera, then it would be a far better option to simply take the photos yourselves. This will add originality to your images, and in the end, you'll be doing what you love. Now, with that said, this platform, guys, has been around for quite some time, and it wasn't that popular not too long ago. But for whatever reason, it recently blew up, just like I said in that intro, and now it literally gets millions of visits. Furthermore, I remember a while back that it paid much less money per image uploaded. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents. This is used to be just 15 cents, and even though 70 cents may still seem like a small amount of money, trust me, it's not. Think about it. If 100 people view your photo, that's already $70 made in passive income. And this site gets millions of visits, so it's nearly guaranteed that you will get some decent views at the very least. So now is the perfect time to jump onto this website and take advantage of the fact that it's gotten so popular. And then it started paying more for the photos. Anyhow, on this page here, you can see some more info regarding the payment. The minimum payout is $15, as you can see, which isn't the lowest for sure, but it isn't too bad either. Now, before we move on to the site, something I really want to show you is the numbers, which you can see on this platform. I have shown time and time again called similarweb.com, and check this out. In the past month, ClickASnap.com nearly got 2.3 million visits, and just left of that, you can see how much this site has grown since last year. So as I said before, this site has grown tremendously, which means it's the perfect time to start using it to get paid. And just think about this for a second. Let's say that in total, for an entire month, 0.1% of the total visitors view your photos. That is still 2,300 views, which would mean you would make $8,000 in passive income just by uploading the photos, and that's all the work you have to do. So as you can see, even if you were being insanely conservative, you can still make thousands of dollars on this website, and I can guarantee you that more than 0.1% of people will view your photos, which in turn means that you can make way more than $10,000 a month. Most definitely. Anyhow, back on Click a Snap here, what you need to do in order to start getting paid is click on sign up for free right here, and then from there, you can sign up via Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is ultimately faster. Or alternatively, you can also sign up via email and enter in your email address, username, and password before agreeing to their terms and clicking on create account just below. Now, once you sign up, there's a bit of a catch I have to mention with this site. It isn't 100% free. If you do want to get paid for people viewing your photos, let's take a look at this in order to get paid for views. You just need to invest £2 into this site, which is just like under $3 for an entire month, while you can literally make thousands of dollars during that time. I know this is a bit of a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you it will be well worth it to invest such as a small amount of money into this site. Once you do, you can just use Google to upload like 10 images a day, and once you have a few dozen images, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars and passive income from there, as new people are discovering the site every single day, which means some of your older photos will get views months and months after they've been uploaded. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.